In this video, I wanted to show you an endpoint that I found out about a couple months ago called report endpoints.txt. So it's an EOS Nation thing, and what this is a list of all endpoints currently connected to the main net. So as you saw in a previous video, we were passing the -u flag to connect to the jungle test net as well as the main net. Well, it should be that any of these endpoints you point your CLIOS to, you should be able to get the most up-to-date blockchain info and essentially use these to deploy contracts to. So whereas previously I was using I'll show you one more here just to prove that's the case. You can see that we're getting up-to-date blocks. So previously I was using a load-balanced version of these. I was using NS James's load-balanced get scatter load balancer, but there's no reason why you couldn't connect directly to each one of these. The only problem is, like, let's say I continue to keep connecting to this api.main.aloha EOS, and for some reason they go down, or they have a glitch, or they're behind, or something weird's happening with them. I'm kind of screwed that way. I'm gonna have to go back, look up a new endpoint, and fix my profile setting alias in order to fix that problem. But if you just use a load balancer, I'm assuming NS James is doing health checks on all of these endpoints and dropping them if they're not responding to pings. So I prefer to use the load balancer, and I highly suggest you do the same rather than manually connecting. But for debugging or other purposes, it's good to know about this. Okay, see you in the next video.